Okay, I'm back, and I learned something new. Um, in my last video, I was making a card, and I cut out those pieces, and it was on 3 separate sheets of paper. And let me show you why, or how big and small it came out. This is the flower that I cut out. I can't believe it, the size. This is the card. Unbelievable. And believe it or not, this is the envelope. Does that show you I don't know what I'm doing? Okay, this is why. I just realized that I already got this on my mat. This is the same envelope, and I'm going to edit this envelope. This is the relative size. This is the size that it's going to be. Okay, and what happened was I think I had it on a 6-inch card, and the other I can't remember now, but that's what I have to learn. I'm not really sure, but I know it's the relative size versus the true size, and the size that is relative. And you can change that. And I wasn't sure which one needed to be highlighted, so I think I got confused. Let me show you. This is going to be on 3 paper. Look, this is three pages. That was on 3 pages, and look what I got out of that. And this is on 3 pages, and it's a big difference. And I think this is the size of that. I'm gonna edit this flower. This is a 2-inch, supposed to be a 2-inch flower. Now let me see, and it looks like it's 2 inches. Well, it's not 2 inches. Wait a minute. I'm so confused. Somebody help me out there. Let's see what size this is. This one's small. This is a 2-inch. So this is exactly 2 inches. Alright, I'm going to cut this out and see what happens. I guess I have to go through the process of elimination. That's the only way I can learn, because these look like 2 different sizes. I mean, on a mat. And they both say 2 inches, so I'm not really sure. But I guess I will figure it out, and I'm going to be using up some paper while I'm doing it. That's the thing, you have to have plenty of paper, and I got another ink cartridge coming, which I'm going to need, obviously. When the Gypsy is hooked, when they actually, hook the Gypsy up to the, download a software for the Gypsy, and I can hook the Gypsy up to my Imagine, it'll be a lot easier, because, for me anyway, because I've learned the Gypsy, and that's the way I design most of my stuff anyway, even though I do like the idea that it does have the capability of designing right here on the screen. Let me just show you this cartridge, the Carnival cartridge again. It's just so nice, and I mean, they have the letters and the alphabet. I mean, it's just wonderful. It has the regular size alphabet. I mean, the regular alphabet, and then it has this real fancy alphabet, which is adorable. See, that's the fancy one. And these come, in layers. You can actually, let me show you, basically, let me take this T. Okay, I'm going to add this T up. This is a V, excuse me. Excuse me again, it's a Y. I'm not looking, I'm going to add that up there, the Y. There's the Y. Okay, and I'm going to edit it, because what I want to do is put that in layers. And look at the layers. Isn't that wonderful? And then you can just change to whatever color you want. Oh, you have to press layers first to make sure. Okay. Now I'll highlight the layers. And you can change these layers to whatever pattern. See how you change the layers and how it changes there? This is the way it's going to be. Those are some fancy, smancy alphabets. Isn't that wonderful? That's wonderful. And then you have the regular. I think it's great. Okay, let me go cancel that out and go back and take the Y out, because I don't want to do the Y. Let me make sure I took it out. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna go back now and print and cut my next set out and see what happens. Hopefully it comes out. It's on 3 pages. Okay, and I'll pause and get back. Bye.